Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. It's been a while since I've done a journal. I think I've been making flip-flop tag books. Anyway, this is using the kit that myself and ARTYmaze, Andrea, have done a collaboration with, and it's Blossom Rose. I have made other projects using the kit, but this is the first time I've made a little journal with it. So the links for the kit will be below, and like I said, it's a collaboration between myself and ARTYmaze. She has one kit in her shop and I have one kit in my shop. So the journal is made basically with I would say about 95% of the kit, and there's a few other things throughout the journal. It measures 7 3/4 by 5 inches. It has one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So I've used, this is one of the papers from the kit, and I've used that as the cover, and I've made a topper, which actually that's just some leftovers from ARTYmaze's green collage taster kit. So I just thought there was green in, obviously little bits of green in there, so I thought that would go well with that. One of the images from the kit, some bling here, which I've literally just stuck on. There's 2 layers of lace here, and it's all been stitched, eyelets, and this white ribbon as a closure. And let's go inside. Oh, spare bit of paper in there. Just let me make sure I'm in frame. So this was actually one of the pages from the kit, and I just turned it into a pocket and popped a tag inside there. Here, one of the pages from the kit. This is actually a full-size kit, but you know me, I kind of chop things down and make them into my own, the size that I want them to be. So like I said, one of the pages from the kit. I've used some of the background pages for pockets and pop some lace on there. This is a tag from the kit. This is a double journal card from the kit. I'll just back that onto some coffee dyed paper. And then this is a journal card from the kit as well. This is actually a freebie. You can find that in my shop as well. And then here we have, this is from the Old Design Shop, I think, and that's from Bohemian Crafting. I've popped a tag on there. Tab, sorry, not a tag. And then here I just made some index cards, just done coffee dyeing and some stenciling, and then just popped on a tab. Then here we have an envelope from the kit, and I've just popped in a little piece of coffee dyed paper, so you can do some journaling on that. So that was it that away. And on the other side here, this is from ARTYmaze, and it's from her letter kit, and I just printed this out onto plain paper because if this was original, it would be thin. You know, it would be thin and quite delicate. And some of these you can fold up, you can see the lines, but I wasn't 100% sure whether I should do it or not. So I think it's supposed to be folded there and folded there, but ARTYmaze does have a video where she shows this kit, and I think she shows you how to fold some of them, but I've just done them like that. We have got some lace trim, and the papers have been coffee dyed. This is from the kit. Then I've made a little fold out pocket, and inside there we have a little postcard from the kit. Journal card, again from the kit. So is this. So was the tag. Here, this was actually, I think this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. It's just like a full sheet of like written ledger, and I had a little bit of it left over, so I just made a full ticket with it. What I did was I just used this as a template and just chopped around all the little bits. This is from the kit. There's some cheesecloth there. This all folds out, so you have got the additional journal space like so, and then it folds up. That goes in. This is a Terry Woods idea, not my idea, but Terry Woods, and that goes in there. If you pop that in between the two, it won't fall through the bottom, but if you just tuck it in like that, it's gonna come out through there. So there's that little bit there, and you can just pop that in there. That goes there, and the postcard in like so, or any way you want really. The Old Design Shop and a tab, Bohemian Crafting. Again, this is the Old Design Shop. Top tuck here. This is from ARTYmaze's new butterfly label kit, and then this paper here is from the Blossom Rose kit. It's one of the background pages. We've got a tag in there. Obviously I didn't put anything on the tag because it wouldn't sit in there nicely. Postcard from the kit and a little journal card from the kit. Then here, that's another one of these foldy things from ARTYmaze. I think this one I tried to do and I wasn't quite sure if that was right or not. Again, I just printed that out on that paper because you can kind of see all the folds, because I know you used that obviously many moons ago. You used to, you know, you kind of wrote your letter and you've kind of folded it up into an envelope and then it kind of gets sent. So that goes on there. Another page from the kit, some crocheted trim there. Then here we've got a double laced pocket, another one of ARTYmaze's butterfly labels. This is one of ARTYmaze. This is a freebie actually, and it's in a Facebook group, and it was a collection of kind of ledgery type papers. This is from the kit. We have the centre of the signature of another lacy pocket and another butterfly label. This is from the kit. That's part of that freebie from ARTYmaze. Why do things just don't want to go right when you're on camera? There we go. This is another one. I think I folded this up to the best of my ability. I think that's pretty neat idea, that is, doing that and folding things up, and I think I've done it that way. So that's from ARTYmaze as well. Page from the kit, another top tuck, journal card from the kit, postcard from the kit, and a tag from the kit. And just all goes in there. Some crocheted trim on here. Little flip and a tab. That's a flip. There's quite a few flips on this side. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 pocket, 4 tuck pocket. It has a tag from the kit. There's a pocket there. That's from the kit as well. I think everything on here is from the kit. So that goes in there. Little postcard there. Then here, that was, again, this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. It was that ledger paper, and I put some lace, and then I put one of the little tickets from the kit on there. So like I said, I will link the kits below. There's another foldy thing. I think it kind of goes like that and like that, but I'm leaving it like that. And I don't know what that says, or that, to be honest. I don't know what any of that says. And I think that's it. And these are, like, she scanned these in, and that was from 1830. Wow, that is old. Envelope just with some paper inside, little flip there, index card with some stenciling. That is from Eva's shop, the Old Design Shop. And then we have a pocket and a tag from the kit. Another journal card from the kit, double journal card. And do you know what? I didn't actually realise when I done that these match the tags. I just realised that now. I wasn't like paying attention. I just like pop things in. And then this is a journal card from the kit, and this is a freebie, some lace trim, and this is one of the background pages from the kit. And then in the back you've got a kind of identical pocket, because it is from a page from the kit, and a coffee dyed stenciled tag. And that is the back. So I really love that paper. Looks like wallpaper, and it come out really nice with all the laces and the I'm not overly keen on pink, but this I think it's like bubblegum pink and bright pink. I don't like. I like soft pinks. Don't like working with dark, like bright coloured pinks. But anyway, like I said, I've mentioned everybody and everything. It will be in my shop. I will put the direct link to that below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.